unma the crow high say asante boy you're no more than news editor.
What is a coup?
And that is why I'm saying there's parliamentary coup and kekoso behind Temensa. And Obi Mano hint no. And a president of friend. So I'm told he really spoke his mind to the president yesterday. He was not happy at all because I say, yeah, you nasi actually in a very nice way, in a commentary, you call the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, so honorable. This is what we want you to do. This is what, because don't forget, I said, yeah, I remember next week, a baby, Chairman Sir, Juma holding in Parliament. How can you just wake up one morning? Me pese me na me majority leader, you know, when you free on amon famemra. I just say, enam kura gunsio manka, enopeya anka, enro anka party koso. Obi kwaya party.
Memo MPP for penifoni bureau fit Chairman's contribution in opposition.
How can you forget?
MPP for opposition.
Oh, and there might be saying a koso a man because unim when you go to Parliament, both opposition and government, Chairman's is
where idol.
Almost on the sekosia. On the amateur, onye just for majority. He's a minister for parliamentary affairs. The entire parliament, omo minister no. And now you the free also. Afenyo yadie. But maybe a chairman said jina. There are even maybe to say Katie Amon no mo kra no. Afenyo enye ni tipa ni omo. Ye on penifo bi o hon ma omo nko bi wa. Collins in Timunum near the inferior in the parliament, no. Obi amo, that's your MP so. The fact also on Kobi, no. If you imagine you almost said, Jamon, members of parliament, no. Yeah, two of us is here, all of them. Frida, what losing the seat. I couldn't say
Collins in
Timon, one more, I'm losing seat. Subi MP. Eugene Munya, they are members of parliament until 6 January. 2025. People are beginning to forget, say, you're members of parliament. The fact that you've lost your seat does not mean, say, this is January 6th. But they are behaving as if, say, Omo, Benitobio, Oko, Atronwe Jano for one MP.
Oh, you know, Benito.
Benito. Oko election, Uncle Uncle. Kwaku Kwati, one winning the seat. The fact, say, even say mampon.
Sapon.
I'm prechum. Whether Obering and Obelusuno. At the end of the day, he continues to be the MP until 6 January 2025. That is what people should get.
But
and understand. Omo Yamana say MPs no luso mu seat no kwano. Omo ma parliament bio. Who told you that?
But my me say sign course so make say entwe from the.
And that is what happened. I am saying this on authority. Say there was a parliamentary coup to oust Chairman Sabosu. And nipa no omo chance ye no so nyina no ye you omo so krata. Why would you do that?
Babian idea. Sa news.
Yeah, that's Babin no. In as much as say oye NDC Babin no. Ye won never be on ma. Obekai. Anano omo entokwa bi esi ye o rezi issue bi Ghana for adwene so say he foresee a minority president in future. Enuntino almost standing orders be omunye said ye be ya se minority president ne budget or the beba no omuntumi ntontune adewe a landmark but obi adwen koso Liman time we are told say Victor Usumo eto ne budget twene ye enema rolling sitimi gya kwan be ye dey e be ye cool because na omuhu de odi bebu oman no nanse yai kekade komoto akufu ado budget twene 37 obekai omugoto so aba eno na babin say ohunu say dachi bi no ebetimanya president the members of parliament are in the minority. It doesn't mean say ade bi or be ko bi also omutugu etomonya standing orders ebe ba sa ade ne say ye be kan ye na ebia 140 momo ye 135 and you know ya to budget na twene no saa de no emwa it's inimical to the growth and the development of this nation. Bobby are raising sad and I'm told they are dealing with it. Now ebe bo man no and toko hunu bi aduma bi a parliament omoko. Ade bi as simple also omo tiase. Na koye the only thing I met me about parliament to abaso ajapa. Ajapa omo bogu ye. Ana Ghana form for so omo gogu. Uyi free wa de aka nyina ye toko hunu. Woma kontokwa sa toko hunu sa. 137. Would you wish 2025 a busy bill?
Me papa.
Open 137.
Me pe. I don't have ma Boama ban won't take that parliament into ransom. On say the first half and as the first player when another majority in parliament. And then so many loans in
loans will be made this time around to me.
Ubache kwana the scrutiny will be there.
Okay.
What you say? Say as the
next election who pesket blouse be
me pe. Me say in game 187 sir.
Na jira mu sir.
Eba sa na aban won say wontimi emfa nsa nkobo parliament wonye de open no na edidi mu akwa ma babi ma hu say ene da chi bi enya news and orders a
ebetima ma minority no.
Very good. And
the president be betima win it. Na we lose parliament.
And eba sa na obede. And this time on say parliament another arm of government and yes all the assurance em bia no majority news side about their band baby bia na say wo good there oba say oba twene ho mo bobo ho etwansumu a wo MPP na say this new na opposition na say government a wo say asem na wo kan etwansumu so ogitum but on my media dey course so say ntia wo dey atudwa say sa ku na nka ekoso no efri na ekosi December no aye beto aba no parliament business will still continue.
Yes.
Me just abana ya de oba ko gi loan bi. Obaji loan bi nyese bi IMF loan nko anti no wa wi loan. And for that matter no, ubenye sa MPC na e bia party ni mu bi ye ni pere bi se bi ya identity mu aba sa majority wono. Nti no party ni hwe sa na ma no enyi because chairman sa hwe we obi a wawura parliament wonye se wawura kekeu wodi djuma so MPP mekai wonu obi a woni mba be nkwa na be minority the sense after them babe na baba ye speaker
you catch say on hwe no e third no
so omo de omo ye tipem for
already be ready face was say I'm the third in command in Ghana
and the party no enye the need for omo ni chi ni nkomo na ntwa we nchi
no but the BBC say no you don't go behind him
David and
for me it's bad
say mu de obi kura ba be si na mu mo no kura no onye say in that point
you have a say. Because I can tell you, and never be a cost to parliament. For us, we see these people so no as want to succeed, a friend market to succeed. Media hype.
And as I say, the best share
media. I'm telling you, within never be a cost to war. MPs no
majority no.
ABI the adjoining shall be on a majority leader and I'm telling you, and you know they are going to do proper consultation. But I can tell you the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs was not happy at all the way a manner near Meko. And I will be aware the deputy there. And then I'll go in Nasi actually. Now we'll lobby CM in free on the show.
So what do you mean that?
What do you mean touch? Any about me uncle to we don't do that. Oh, find a very nice way. Nipano president not taking decisions, so be our uncle Biubiano. Ebi our man and take certain positioner. It's a very nice way out of respect. You don't just go behind him, maneuver, working day and night. Unim, they were waiting for today. Now they can announce it in ra. Say I say on the diamano. But say be a de gunsium ne ebejene.
Just say and
maybe the beer gunsium. Yesterday, NEC was going to take that decision. It was the president who told Justin Kodia to take off the agenda.
Say new standing orders, no.
The new violation of the decision they are going to take. And because of that new standing orders, no, and I'm told now, no, the MPs in Parliament will decide who will be their leader, not MPP. Okay. Yeah, Kwaba. Kafra. Wafunu nyina twe ena nyahunu nyina blisters all over malaria na ayo sa no kafra
untimi ni dio
Oh, ntimi di eye. Oh, appetite to do. No, chop. Mami ti o tebe sa issue no. Ba so di recover.
Honorable Oseche Mensa Bunzwadi. From Enreba we anum hono me hu say yese resafo bi akoso. Ewo be 2 weeks ni kra na rumors baba yese there be a reshuffle ewo government mu ebe TSC eye parliament kra ne ade a ebi didi ho nkomo. Enti nenka we na enka eba enra no Chemensa Bonsu free honomo as majority leader. So free honomo as majority leader, it means say onye minister for parliamentary affairs be
yes.
Automatically afenyo market ebe take his ministerial appointment no. Na chese wababetena afenyo market sechi. Just as Haruna Idrisu ete ato force in echi immediate no. Nti afenyo market so nko sore se okasa enko no kran keneti ko nye nidu. Say osore say or kasa o parliament honomo and I say o lead house now.
Oh, he's ready.
He's there.
He's ready.
Afenyo Markins. Kasa ni rule na won echi no. Mama ma list of MPs e betina honomo. Chairman Sabonsu na nke be number 1. First row na what leadership na echi no. Obe number 1 followed by KT Amon. Followed by your friend is what's why?
Another pretty or
tieni mu.
Followed by Obi Amoa.
Followed by Obi Amoa. Damboche. Sankrofona. Yeah, Domeko Abenya. Esoso was our first rule. No. No, Munina. Eguachi. No, sorry now. Okadiasem. Nenka if you want more can peeping come control. And then Omomu draw. Ewo Babin and Nimukra Ebeyese. He's the only person. So sorry. Na okasa owe any dear craving crano
minority de
manwa enya asem keto so be kaya na nsem wono mo asem bi asi Babin catch a case to force and say he should learn to double task so be kaya sa asem no just as the predecessor Haruna Idrisu na oye no iti e can be before pesade we be say enka Babin do
you know the MPPs behaving as if say Nana do amemu abawie yenra
why
my
and I said omo nkobio no ntino na memo na ba wie bi
ana ji awanye foreign affairs ministry nti no mo fa kwan bi so to
I'm told yesterday from grapevine yesterday he really spoke his mind to the president. So president the free kodua say omunyi sa agenda na mfiri mu no yesterday was the decision day and komo kwa take decision no my day o matisa no eti after being his attention being drawn to the fact say that what the party is going to do no is null and void ultra-virus no and immediately day of friend who say omunyine sa ni mbegu ase
agenda no
omo gist agenda no free ho the MPs bebre so tie no they storm the place so we catch them say I'm told say nekra no say but if one stop woman the MPs will have a press conference no catch omo obi a open majority say woman na be decide nye
akota MPP volunteer say o parliament ono mo say leadership e wo parliament enye wa o rattle brofo ana wa o kasa gbagbagbagbagba na e kire say obetimi lead aye edom e wo parliament omo ne papa wei kwan a wafa so akuta party no even in opposition e de o ma ba betra abemu this parliament say esi ayafa na
papa we dey abufuo also dey abufuo crowd etna parliament how would you survive
yes also I'm prepare life after Chairman Sabunsu say uncle but that is not the way to go
no
that is not the way to go say
is that how you do a transition
Debbie NDC for ye bi ma ye nyina betena ha say kan kwan a omo de Haruna Idrisu e fa so e wo parliament
Haruna on a very quiet you watching
akota omo free hono no obi te say eye antaka ne contribution and ne body posting crowd parliament say as a time of pen obeko time ope na say omo de akwa omo ho a na Haruna Idrisu moto omo no omo show omo na omo crofo na
Haruna sorry no kasaba ever since sorry kasabia
she emudru na no ya papa ifiri ono mo nya na ba kwa ko bo bi minimum won chense o de mekana fam sika ma me anyesa we nyina ya say na meka ne say sasem we eti no mantime asante bo me enka asem no ne guy da bia o de nanam sasem o mantime amfa nka o ma agenda ho Omantima fan ka o agenda ho. Na mum changes of changing of leadership mum no de kwa ko agenda. Obi akobo obi minimum ya so no one ko boni minimum parliament. A disgrace like this. Montima fan ka on say mo ba fra mo caucus ni nyina.
Because some people were lobbying. Seriously, sir. The president can't say Obi or losing the seat.
Why?
And the uncle be any free on by hook or crook. But you see, there are exceptions to every rule.
That's it.
Based on Abia chambers and the 2 million a day, and the oil parliament, on the president 1 or 2 million.
Yeah.
Oka say chambers and now I want to bet to my boo. Oka or did 2 million Kobo Biamani. Oma post Obiama, the president hire and fire.
Yes.
A personality like Chambers, every time they come December, the NDC can make MPP so unpopular in parliament.
Straight.
And they forget to say they have an election to run.
Oh, say my catch or say.
Fine
Now,
Jatamo, Emrantiano. Omani to Chambers.
Say cry Chambers about to say Uncle Biona, a beboa MPP because only campaign be I want a constituency.
Yes.
Body of Fenoma can say Quakoye, leader of parliament. Constituency, a campaign, a bassa.
I never do a campaign.
Where corner way back, where corner. But
it's
the time only only BBI campaign when the constituency semi per semi winning be seat on the constituency in Teno, be parliament
campaign
yes.
The Dini
Matis yes on the manifesto committee chairman.
No,
yes.
It's not the obedient Mugai. It's Manitra Parliament. No more party. No, maybe I say, oh,
Chairman, a human away, no, and people and so any. I
don't know. It is all because president say,
or may for
you lose soon the seat.
No.
Uncle, man,
but there be who 4-year term. Who tell me no marry yet?
They make counters.
And say no, the law are watching the Kura Parliament.
I know the same cohort, but what I mean is the president has a prerogative to take a decision. Say, the president Wasakiwa or hear anybody to an explanation or whatever. This is you.
But the main question is say. Some minister on had a minister position in man, but parliament one majority in there. Purely parliamentary duty.
And no nana canino nembrano ma
party
to me more to me truck and I see on my sister on this no. But the president did not know. And even those who were lobbying, they did not know.
No, sir.
And not to the Chairman Sanwa, I am told, had a lengthy meeting with the president, spoke his mind, and after president immediately called Kodia, say that agenda should be blotted out because it will embarrass the whole party.
But
because now you are going to take a decision which you do not have the right to take.
And the question, another question is,
why do you embarrass such a great man?
Any Chibensa, the telepathy, and I say Unkuta who did that parliament.
They say
Fineko.
I just say, I'm who say. Bibia is so glaring. Say you together with Gabi and some people went to the president to whatever. Gabi has say I was so no local politics.
International politics.
They say international politics. Or what kind of area you know?
Our USA
Russia ni boy are we?
I'm vice president.
They are you kunu. Yes, Russia president. Not very. Guy, or oppressive for some of body in my bush and for crime, one coyasem. The yen ra or cassa say injections be on one on say free the body in my son or mode. Only Putin's die-hard critic. Yakuno. Oh, what you have. It is here no some politics no na.
Obeko US say
some politics na Gabi so obeye. And the tosu mienu obeko akohe Donald Trump ene Biden mo. Just say Israel tokwa eno na o.
Eno ne hia no.
Eno na je say o frɛ no na obusa no. Say one frɛ no busa no a. Enya de obeyi ano. Into on local politics.
And then say o menyi ni say o mokɔ ka kyerɛ no. Gabi ni mo hwe. because ni key positions wide lines if we know local policies and the omo ko friend baby and we in free
we are told allegedly
God be nimu because no international policies local policies for the head.
Okay, what am I fancy anamema Dr. Adams Akwaba Dr. Akwaba takra wojuba
na no no blow say chemensa bunsu so foreign affairs senkoji ya kebeboaye
chemensa ne hwan mu anwa
kajama me
foreign affairs ya nya hwia
Canada ne America
you and last convention kabobi koji adie chemensa sukre die ni
affairs oluma jema ye ne odi ejema ye nkwala
odi ekoji na odi eje ye treo
US convention
Ode abatena he.
Oje our Commission of Foreign Affairs. I said you still and on the only and no nya majority. The parliamentary affairs. I don't want to as a parliament here on the do. Now the other me senior no as a parliament here on the do. Koji Foreign Affairs in the uncle. Edi. Alright, Dr. Adams supposed to say. So see here. Come here. Any command or pay and I don't go for friend and the
Mama that's e fa se da batwe jampo na yam fa ntia ma obi a wo Sompa na wo ti Sompa ro pe na ye common na den ka ye hwe erectile dysfunction premature ejaculation
erectile dysfunction no twi ye say
twi ye say kadwo be ma
asa obema no ntimi mpagya ni mu emu omre
yes
okay
no ho na be di mo
okay
before that no what I want to see
hello
I was expecting Senka but in for Babon say we are in a heat wave.
Unim said last week enyina mete ha asoma me kan say entikuma Boakye Ghana Health Service at this moment our weather assistant say
yes
enti omuntumi emeka the health implications and a Ghana Health Service the omunima ne and HIV confirm whether what has it got to do with HIV?
Yes.
Because HIV no international donors a basika woman no on conference. Ghana for hit a buy you huramane. Cerebrospinal meningitis is
yes.
Hit weba a dan hodi and kwaranki to meningitis ewasia. No Ghana Health Service letter baku simple and a yahu.
Amanti we enya normal hamatan na afibia we hit wave ankasa and I when a bar heat stroke with me ba heat stroke
yes
nobody know ahode a on sweat if na ekulu temperature now sweat in SIP because of extreme heat no nipa no was so twawe no odi ago say obetimawo me consent to see I say 6 match ba
6 match.
Yankwala
na eba be cost 6 match.
7 years.
You see?
We are not yet to the extreme.
A medical doctor no onye djuma aban tua neka no. Chewe okuma Boakye wono nkrofo doctors regional directorate ni made. Ade na moye.
Nti your my na me dey me fear no wo. Me dey fine. National we be ntimi enjaye. But me point is say sometimes Oko grounds one of my.
Some can say now can.
Let me say a train DC and I say a train will be a.
It's now no man.
No problem.
No more trash.
So we are in the 8 million colonels. And the best say, me nim how say people cannot be no man colonel. Send some penny for no.
Why should it take Dr. Adams to tell us this?
Because say nipa wo dey wiem na me threaten na ne hunso no we do 10 bia.
Obe trafi.
Akwala below 10 years.
And I say akwala getting no match pass.
Yes, we are rough on me me stress. I feel the penny for about momentum. Na nka within a space of baby an hour to 2 hours no. Yes, na improving so how mo benom and I say me gas drinks cry. Anything I want sugar kakra. Na finka kwala so free awofo no. Nku a etin free. No so come here ye.
Nku a etin free.
Kwala free ala park school na.
Opa kransa.
Opa singutu kra na da sha no. But I was thinking one more story I open this room. Now if you two be no the address is here.
As some doctor can you I for the mama friend the agro.
Yes, very
because yes so back on match pass we charge you didn't do for noche we no.
I bear some.
That is why yana a disheartening no. When government officials we are paying with our hard-earned money, yet to see a tax to your muka. Now they can't reason to understand say this is a season we have to advise and educate our people. What you are there? Into omuni sensitization outfit or mobile ro. FF regional PRO. Uni ano FF utemia. Regional director Ghana Health Service. And then I'm catch there was antimantema. That be a ECG for na ehuna mane. And I can but these are health implications, sir. Ebetime kunkwara no. And everybody is quiet. It's so embarrassing sometimes. Doctor Nyamisha Opa. Nyamisha Papa. Let's say who ni panokra this time no musio more.
Yes. This time we are rough. Na say o ba awia no o to ade wa awia mu dina awia na onum so a. Heat stroke. Yes. And the home by one son say we boko awako no. Enye easy. Ha ni pano think I call him say e no buy him say what say air blue. Boldness is sagos moja ntimi enya adwuma yi na.
Te be ma me no ma mugu ayi swame. Any KDT crowd shelter mo amugu hello FM anim honom ne ade amugina wiem no. See to is every 1 hour bia no musuo.
And no am
say no crowd dey agina.
Me tell me no mo so obi etitrom na quickly what tonsuo ewo ekwan ho na wo yi nsa pia mo de hwe gu nsa ho sa. So say we should not deny.
To me and a trotro no sumo se. Driver no su jina on wo pai.
Auntie. Yes, you hear say.
Wait, should it take me say free right to back free last week na ma kan ho asem sa o. Senti penifo amu ye ai adokotafo ne Ghana Health Service. Juma di Ministry of Health. Enti muntumi hunu se anema asesa wo wie mutine mommoa na momfa futuo bi mra because me I'm a layman. Me nim hwe de metimi ayane dawro na mebo. Ba momma enkrata bi kura se information na committee hey yesi wo ye we say ne doctor ono obebo ne hospital who dawro but he's seen the need say Ghana for here futuo we. Mo etetu am come to the office na air condition bomb. Se munu kwa na mudi kire. Doctor Yenchen erectile dysfunction so here me papa. Here pa.
Ade a ho ha mrante bebre kan no well say obi na ho ade won papa from one obi a wanyini anu fie bi 70 years 60 years na wanya saw how no but they know as early as 35 years 25 years
na the bear majo
yes I want to call from crowd or young hwe
dia na de ba
o man to see I can say me ko makoba bi mo some mrante pa hia no ma yambanchi asone so start na wo mu na abeda so na say timase na we dey na think I should start we nyama ono omo e dey besa start bunch
omo dey start sa
so o mati of video say yes we start na you see me dey be ma gina so
o start
ka bibia me hu so na ma yam bunch a ye so start
omo dey besa
yes
na be ma gina so na no kre
o ma hu say opa and ko for na mo ayi ade bi aponte wi bia say any pare ade bi aponte wo aponte pewa wi bia no say mrante wi bode hono ma hu obi be gu kam o wi banche hono be gu kam o wi aburo hono be gu kam kube hono na nchene manfo wi
kube hono
na nchene
ade what does it
yes o wi aponte pen na ma aponte timi ene fa ma be
na aponte wo fro ba nya 10 seconds
manfo who say na you see I'm not doubting say drobie any animal anymore but the point is adibia what is say is a drum but it comes in a crude form ya nwai ya sone so ya nchinchi mu ne raw form na ofa no to say na do to ho afa
okay
o to do na to say oduro no a okono no umuduro so muduro to say ya no say
no
wait to say ya no say
5 ml not 10 ml
yes do say no sa do na banche ho na owie no do say na owie a equal to be at 10 mils for yes obody no
so the we are
anti ma hu obi a me obi ka wusi pair ba e the two pressures and na ma bi akwachi sa pair ba bebe no hata and na wa yam odi kokwa na so bi agum after 3 weeks the one I say cardiac arrest the koy autopsy na kuma na pai
Jesus Christ
o san bebe sa no de agu
because onim dosage no
Intine herbal medicines are back at first. You know do what you know be no. You know refined that. You don't do say that for your health, Ninti. Was one way ya a cordo so bro so a bit me kuni and the sun no na ye fan bebre na ye nim na se no and the animal be jani pediano so. They were doing my friend of Viagra. Obia or per for this BM himself Viagra aphrodisiac. Medically, yeah, for people with hypertension and migraine. Omono mutino entini ka momo moja ntimi kwa bi ntini ne ya o bi so wale ntimi bia bro so moja ntimi enflow yi na kuma no bossa
Viagra was meant for that.
Yes, for that no and you who say man for omo migraine na omo no so no they last longer in bed because a vasoconstrictor e man ntini ka mo
bi na adwene ma moja ntimi kwa no
good enti e mo woni sa dia man for asase e no Viagra uni migraine uni hypertension and I want Viagra. And you know, until I know man, why could be mama na broso. A time will come. Good. And more gentlemen from Kobe. I for no tank cry, me man, sorry. And me, and here. Medically, but say, Sabema no Basia. You see, a man should be able to have erection and sustain the erection for a period of time. Near say, oh, normal in bed. So only Obanish issue, I'm sorry. Penetration cost what the account bano now lasts between 7 to 10 minutes here. Medically, you are very normal.
What do you know about that 7 to 10 minutes?
There's normal medically, there's nothing wrong with that.
Then say me omuku me you. And I otimi check. You see Busa say omutimi social media skits na bia Busa and may say how long should my guy last? Almost say from 30 minutes to 15 minutes go. Obi anka tempo.
So my you see, Obi lasted from 10 to 20 minutes. Extremely well. Why ya dia mana broso?
To Obi timi na 20 ya.
Yes, why ya?
Na say wa juma pa.
Be ma on for draw. No one know about koda. Now Obi last between 30 to 45 minutes. Medically he is sick.
Any be are you?
On for draw be and so now what the youngest are not to me about not that between 30 to 45 minutes. Doctor says I are here with your baby be a pill. Say between last 30 minutes I'm in federal. So I are the other men go south. Am I old man go? Oh, Sasu Swenya. Yeah, dear. Ade undue stress about man.
Undue stress. Oh, check.
Emi and Saudi. Obi a approach would be assuming. Also, me, I have a command every part of the body, a command every. And that's assuming Obi a weekends. Because every day was me. A command, what do you however burn? Casa. Casa. It's junior command change, you may be a. Because there are times I will be maybe a program no. No, I'm exhausted. Very good. Obi Kas will be who now Kasewa Brea on Tiasie. Kasaya Jumapa. And then the third one, A6. I was a higher Jumapa. Obi a wire section and what's no. Where the infribatino? A didn't ya? A command I Juma. Very good. Air condition wouldn't be free to. So per 6. What do you also every day gone over share? No problem. A commando. Obey 50 years, you know. Now, man, I am ready. Hey! What do you 45 minutes? And now the beer. Now, one the beer, 45 minutes. Every day. There's also to me by 10 minutes. I was and a man also someone, man. It's your mind. And I'm a boy, the other one check. And I want check. Me say, I say, hey! For my way, yeah, we be about orgasm. No, it doesn't take more than 2 hours for a woman to reach orgasm. 2 minutes for you to reach orgasm. 2 minutes. It doesn't take more than that. Hey, don't tell me you know. Am I be a frigid? See, Obama or Coban who own him da. Oh, about the Ocon also no for Sebi also minimum baby also no for you put her off. No correct. What I say, or maybe you're quite passing to maybe or baby na. Yeah, can the main choice you say, I say, a man will say, before penetration, or in the sack, or in the subi, put you off. Before you start, only panic off, about any orgasm. What I say, and our baby was oh, this is my spot. Come here, I'll be
on cancel. Do you have to search?
And I wrote him an awful, and I also they put it off, and I also down. And then there's a whole guy. If you reach your two and scrap on your orgasm, still
yeah, Brett.
Let's know what to do with the man. I'll be there, say, oh, no, be a sex, no, my baby. What's your obedience and for them to beat, beat them. And see, I never be blah. I was here. What I say. It is here to call Falcon. Nay, yes, we a hand to be a hokwan a wa. About it now. Why do you also last longer? So no balance yet traverse, done one man and one man. Who been a history.
And think how?
Yes, 7 minutes no about who buy ya. Oh, Sunday man, and
I force said the Bians for Ban Hubana.
You see, sectional. Fractional, oh, section, fractional, air cobbling nano, or bandy or I think has could be out here. And the man, no quite enough for them. But the climax, no, and the orgasm, no, when your pet in the Oka would be around here and I'll be a year. A buyer, not a madano. And in every sex, and our baby.
There'd be a sad as I do.
Oh, the show to us, oh, no, about 4 years old, be there.
And they also so now for ye. And masturbation, swear.
Oh my, I know the number next week.
Next week, you better was Yamreno.
A serious idea and also a cosopa.
And no, my mamma, erectile dysfunction.
It's because no, I am no my.
And they are saying, room, okay.
I drew you in a good form. Young wire, young Yaneshi, Nafanianum. But Shabana, yeah, really said the 7 point, all you know, getting so generation. One way after 45 years, no, I feel I flash it.
Okay. Doctor, I first see I made sure what you're quite
now. Be our woman, and you will inquire any answer. Your emerald so on. I did be a simple, a bit to me, a home, not for your one to the Acababua. I'm out what to me about. Oh, how it be so bad. You to a food like our show. Ya dear be a bar, if it's a baby now, Banamana, you into the couldn't phone, Beman be not now holding about. Okay. Ah, not I heard the amount. Oh, Master, dear, Atuma Tetima.
That's right.
Atuma Tetima, Pada so, Ushimasi, Equano so on. Obaso for that casting be your Tanoso, and if you're casting be your whole back against your Pampaso, when I casting be a class also your dominant Brush and Jones, also called Amin Scientific. Number near 0277
0277
00
1234 1234
0277
0277
00
1234
and 0241 36
73
49 0241 36 73
49 Allahu Sharifi Onyankupo and the Yarsafo Allahu Akbar Abujafo Doctor Namote Ninkano Yami Aduma Kejeti Haya race course Shanimu Ukohonuma Bibia Habe Koswama active point now what to say Bibia Boko yeah the doctor did erectile dysfunction you ever had teeth dysfunction yes so yeah Only power on my was saying on Nimonyamo. Sit to cry what the bill out to me pronounce. F-ne SBUA. Oba, from an number Numusa, and to me can ye. Na amwa. It's a nano or mobile, but tiny and say per se will see Apomudi active. You didn't come on.
But I say, now, Metcha with tea for an hour phone na. Na say, oh, enum, and a say how be a messe, and now. Call dentist na on show na onni saa how ni na mfi so ni dentist no about active point dental clinic na ya hwe etu saa how no ase eye e de amao se na ya hwe yenkomo na edun se na doctor e ka so kan awia asem enti na ya bedi nkomo afa awia ni sunsu aso a eba enipadua ne so efa yesimu last time e di nkomo bi afa oral cancer ho se awia no boat spebra itimi emekwan be down say ubenya oral cancer na oral cancer no ya na ne complications na aba enipadua ahoden no so ya na edosun ye ba oral cancer no say ewia no bo trim be bra otimi nya bi e na se wani wanum ene osino eyi ani na se ekwachira
ɛno so kwan tim bɛda ma wonya oral cancer na ɛno no ebi timi tɔ katrama so ebi timi tɔ wanum fam wanum soro wo se achi nam no ɛne wanum ɛnkyɛnkyɛn no oral cancer bitimi ba ɛna timi so ɛtɔ wano na ohwe wanhwɛ na wansia no kana sɛ wan treat na sɛ ɛkwachira one etimi den carbon eba wanum because eye ekuro nti no wanum etimi ɛbɔ pa ɛna untimi so nidi because ekuro wo wanum nti no pain no o we sade a ose no ɛyɛ oya ɛna ekuro no so ba ose ase honom na dia wosen sim no esisi so na ɛwɔ wanum hɔ no yɛ ose achinam num no emu no ɛyɛ mmerɛ emu yɛ mmerɛ pa na wose no tutu na bɛhya se tutu na edwidwiri to anim round so na wose ni nyinaa atutu ɛna ekuro no so ɛtɔ ketramase honom no so na ɛhonom no so ɛwe ɛkɔ akyi na de san ketramase honom no edutimi kurate wakasa abɛsɛn ɛna ɛtɔ ketramase so na sɛ edidi kwacha wo sɛ ekuro sɛ wan treat a na ɛtre ɛkɔ bo sɛ ɛtre sa na etiasi omunim ho esophagus no
na wanya throat cancer
yes
so
betimi awu nti oral cancer no sɛ yamiani ankɔ ho na yamiani ankɔ yenum enidie no ho na sɛ yegya ye ho ema yenya enum yare na hodo bi na sɛ ye try nya sɛ oral cancer.
Why is it difficult sɛ nipa bebre no yenko for check up eba ye dental ebi mo wa adwen sɛ asɛ sikafo obi onya ne ho na oso kɔhwɛ ne se
no kwasɛm ne sɛ yɛn ha sɛ no sɛ obi bɛkɔ dentist akɔhwɛ ne se aye sɛ kaka ene wode kɔ awowu eno amana anadwo
ena ade kyen ye
okɔ
ba so no a ho no mo
da bi eye kakra bi
asa ho taw bi
obi hu sɛ asa eye afɛfɛdie bi ena ema no ekɔ dentist no but ehu hia pa sɛ nka benya bosome miensa bia no obɛkɔ dentist no akɔyɛ check up na bosome nsia bia so why yes eya na ha dwen yi pa because eya na emekwan bɛda ho sɛ ubenya enum haw bebre ena enum haw ne so no esan onsunsun aso wo ye nipadua no akwa no enyina so eba sa na bo sɛ wo nipadua no ntimi mfanshin yi sɛ woni mu a yese no ebi connected to your central nervous system eno the control ye nipadua no enyina sɛ no baby eto chima na sɛ wo nipadua no entimi mfanshin yi a eno ede oha kese ene beba so ntimi srɛ sɛ wo tru sia no pa na hu sɛ emoja eba sɛ wo so na pa na hu sɛ wa pantan ho na wa fono ho no baby ahono sɛ hu sɛ kaka bi ahyase eba osim so hu sɛ ekuro bi ato wanu mu a abro na otwe mi na sɛ emu ya mesrɛ entena honom ko dentist honom na onhwɛ de ekoso ɛwɔ wanum no na sɛ wosen so sɛ baby abua especially premolar ni molar no sɛ ɛhonom no ebu a emekwan bɛda ho sɛ entesuo ebewurawura wosinum na ɛno so di infection akɔ wosinum nyinaa na ɛde haw ɛbrew ɛno yɛ saa na enkabɔ ne ba wanum wosinum so ahoɔden sɛm ɛkɔ fam ti ɛnsɛ sɛ wohwɛ ni ma ɔha no ɛkɔ akyiri bebree ansa na watu ho anamɔ ɛna nkɔ dentist so sɛ kaka nko anti na wokɔ hɔ kɔ na kɔhwɛ de ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ wosim ɛne wanum sɛ bibia kora no ɛnkɔ so kora na ma dentist no ɛnhwɛ sɛ bia nsesa bia hyase ɛba hɔ no mu a efi na ya na ɛba yanum no bi hɔ no enye nyina na yehu beto dentist no wɔhwɛ wanum a ohu sɛ nsesa bia hyase ɛba hɔ ɛna sɛ yɛkɔ so ka sɛ yɛnko ane yɛkɔ yɛmfa yɛba no ɛnso ɛnko bi akɔrɛ bia ne se no sɛ ahyase ɛbo na sɛ ɛma ɛkoraa na fa ne kɔ dentist ɔnom na wɔnhwɛ ɔmo afi no ɔmo sen befifi no bo sɛ ɔkɔ a ɔbɛhwɛ hawa ne gam ne honom no aye baby e befifi aba no etie no na se sesan bia beba honom a na wahu na watu ho na mountain na kwara no nyina ama amenya esen hawa hodo bi a eno so edin susan bo ne ebeba ni padua no so ento betimi aba ya branch wo santas de nyame ben ultimate trader na se FM obo asenso odunkwa junction na konka road honom a na Accra Jolu Presby junction no so your branch back ko Kaso a Crispo City farm depot sunya oye abrosan na ben koko bodra about na se fidwina sanate Sheffield station and your branch back on my EBA office no a drada kosi mreda no pa no wotwe ekosi anwumre no nsia kwesi ada so kumase ni Accra branches nso adwuma and as ukra private insurance Ace medical insurance bra Gap medical insurance bra na Cosmopolitan health insurance so ukra bia oba ye behwew na the insurance ne cover no ya hwɛ ne treaty na how bia na cost no se bia num kan ya na ehia me yie pa fi se epam enipa free won chen
that's right
and na won so anya ni nyina na ya na wo hu sɛ odofo bi ebɛn ɛna uti ana so na wo hɛ na sɛ wadi umfie na wadi nyina no onkɔ dentist so enko cleaning wonu mu am so tu ho anamo na amekwan ameda ho ama wanya enum anase esen eya no anase eyare no ahodo ni bi na basa na edunsanso bone na eko ni pedua so betumi afre number 0554 571 779 0554 571 779 to say ene wanum no eho anamo na kai so betwi si anopa eni anwumre na wodi wi afin so horo wanum na nketenkete na keka no ni nyina emra na obe flosse wosene so flosse no nkofa dua bi nkofa baby fa dental floss ankasa ye na every ho na mouthwash so abe use so person use mouthwash use the alcohol ni mana so dentist so be try recommend bi e dia ma na we use no ma na yintintia e wo dentist so na hwe wanum ene wosene san bi ahase e ba ho na ontu ho na ma na emwa.
All right, thank you very much. Active point many of you for better sana no future life obeja for montrans mame alaji o de otra hanawo doctors also relax ayemo yenkomo future life for hanomo na yedede nkomo alaji na se hu ya ehu
future life
yedede nkomo
future life se wutie kasana se odache na wo bo ho ban.
That's right.
Ni nyina eye kwan abefa so abedidi obroni say beauty comes from within.
No correct.
The future life there if you ti so so na ase menka wo ti nwi nko si na ase ebo ni pedua no ho ban fi say ni pedua ni hia balanced diet there say usa asa wonkwamo no wosoro nti yare kra yawa wo nsesisi a na wa practice ba say wo nyina na wo cells ni tissues ni nyina na ekofom the future life wo hwa na adwuma ne say renew cells ni tissues it is cells no ahoden a bibia beba ni pedua bia kutia no it is na future life tie hama ene atwetwemu ahoden ne de aye sa food supplement no ntini pedua bi ahia bi ene wo hwa emwa wonwura ma bisa se de ntino mo ahoden o mutimi nyini ko omanim sa ni nyina ya hama ene o mo we ti future life de hama na aye future life atwetwemu ahoden ne da se di na mo da ache ho ban fi se aduane we mfansi ja so wodi nsuo fry a na wudi ati se nuane nroma hoden ne de aye sa aduane no enti siesie ni paduane enti mpima yare entra woni paduane no enti ntina enyare ansa no the future life ye aduane a ebo wankasa woda ache.
That's right.
Na ena acquire se pressure diabetes enuma bebra be kan ni paduane ho I want to say na da bia me kasa yare nya japade na wo maame ana so papa obi a wafa bi wankasa ka kire wo ho se wo de wo mbeso obeyare obenya pressure na diabetes said the Daniel Kai no or say Daniel Kai say me or hina me nida na Mary hahama na o say mre du Daniel no na nim hyiran chen na fefo ni nyina enti wadua na ewudi ehu hia se o hwe ne ye enti ti bibia keke nwuyam na mfa nkɔhye bayifo ɛna ti said na doctor me fa so mo nyina doctors mi no mo kasa e say nipa mis infections ade a eku nipa pa o Africa infections wonim say anum kura wo kan nyina no wonya infections a etimi ba wanum.
Yeah, that's true.
Wonya syphilis abesa wo minim ni nyina nti ni nyina ye cancer e be ni paduanum na em say ha ne enim se kuro bia ye cancer nti na obi wo se me o sa no oka me o sa no oka o sa ye cancer kuro bia ye cancer fi se bibi che wo ho pe na cancer de no ho agim eti ya hye o de wo ba ye chiro nuane a obedi e bebo ni paduan nti nuane nyina abo ni paduan no ban emplema yare ntina wo ni paduanum eti na da bia ka infections wasem ano se be ma sabi wo beje mu ntema infections ye number 1 beba benya prostate enlargement infection ye number 1 obenya prostate cancer infection number 1 oba sabi oni atenka infections ye number 1 so enti se mo no core system no ma enti as advanced countries no omunim infections o masia no ankasa ba ha de ye jejem se we pay nipa be 95% na obi wa se mani infections na timi say wo brain wo heart wani esa wo say wo kidneys bibia ko ho a e be ka wo liver sisi a enti obi wo se machi ya me ya misisi na otiti nkunya wa infections na mo na ko ho fi say mo no ko a utimi nya cervical cancer so emo na be ni paduan ma nti yakopon na yeso di ti wanwa so via ba hama onuma emo ni nyina bewu se mo na anwu na sa wo so be ye wani treatment anya de be ko fi say me hu obi a wanya problem a ye de aduragu nani a nani na te da fi say mo na ho munwi ana obi wo prostate enlargement prostate cancer na se mo na anwu a wo ye treatment bi a enko enti mumra ya so ye ho ye wo ti ahodo ulcer ti ye wo infections ti ho ene wo nuane e wo ba kan de ha wo kire na ye nche aduane a obedi ni nche nuane a beja idi fi se ne nuane bebra bedwa so a enye emwo ni padua no me keke nya wo dia bisa ho say dia na benya frɛ aduane no mansa na wadi ɛna me se dua nyina ne pɔ bam da no dia me de ba ha no me se me ankasa me di ho adanse abiem ɛfa okotodwam no future life for say 20 years to come ye no maduro nko ani padua no fi se nuro no ekum ye nuro na ye pesa gi enkwa no ese ekum ye so obi obeda pressure duro so saa obeda diabetes duro so saa no de awu efie nyakopon de ma ye nu saa ne ye contentam saa et future life aboard that but so the future life here we live in an hour sitting na efie nyakopon ahwe ahodum saa na obenya yare ya etintroma yare mfa onum future life se ne bo onye den so wo tena na nioma bebre ka bom dia wo ba boboka o fi say aduane bi 45 cedis e bi 60 cedis enti samre a wo so wo nyare na so the future life is good for everyone so we box no asa na atwro e na o se kwan befa so abanum nsuo e kwan befa so aye we living na atwro go box no enti future life aba e bedum ye ntena wo nyare ansa na we the future life ye nua no magazine ye kunu num ne ye ma o madidi ne de enko ye kura ena obi asori a oditi agu robem wache odi agu robem odi gari ni bin agu robem achese ni o mesa afrafra na e dia ya ma no achese poison ko na the whole day ko mu wodidi abisase dia na menye fra aduane no mansa na wadi achese your health is your own responsibility sabi na nakufo ado ntimi meye ma wo ma me wo wasiesie o kama nsuo kro de ma o kama ba wa wo nyina de na wo ya wo ho ene amayare abu ene na radio station bi kasa se efuna daka for se de se ya to funa daka papa wo hwa so anya mpanyfo na ewu nkola nko na ewu ene me ba me lady bi ye bibia no so na me ya this gone too soon outdoors we Japan for 140 years 150 years the secret ni dey say that duane obebi said obaka cho say that duane die na ye dia and yes poison gu emu sa efra no pa obi bedi disa na nipa dua bia wo yefunu kra te se wa akotru mu a ono kra 100% eso di 80% ni so di bebre wo nipa dua ne ye aduane sa etu obi otimi di 4-5 times a day wo de kwai wa wu ku ho obi wa anajo obedi eni hia sa anajo obedi wo didi anajo bia wo koda eni se bibia wo mu fi sabodi na ya adwuma sa wo koda no so a se obi bia da no na aduane gu yam wo be yare wo benya pressure wo de be hye baifo sisi a eti future life for ho se bebo abobra ne ntro kwa befa so abedidi wo ba bisa ebe ma 12 apostles no a be blend ano ene obi aso ene stroke di nyoma dɔɔso no ene obi 35 years ko ti minya stroke be se obi ase boko ne asante jeni anwumre bia no be se blend bi na no wo beti ma no mada obi anya na judi de fi se wo ne yare na dɔɔso ene ko hospital nipa nko na gu ho obi invite wa this yie wa anka se hwe kwa fa so didi fi so life ni hia che bibia ewi ase di pankwa ehia che bibia ena obi wo so a onyeska mikosi dan mekotoka no no anka so oni apomde wo be wu agya ne ma no ha mo obi abedi no rough enti free saa mre na pe future life a kira kwan ai be board da che ho ban na wo ma na wa bro mo ho no wanya nyankopon amo ahode na wo de ahwe wo omuso awie ye enti mumra ya se so follow alignment
okay
mrs so ma ho da bra ho enkogina ba bi na nkasa madam futowe ena bo ano nti no pressure ne diabetes abeka asetena ho obi wona nte kakra no abre osimikotodwe enipa se wu nyina okotodwe no ana waposo no na ewewe enti kan say gregre no ho na wiwe be sika se no sisi ope ebe so na nkokom tim na afa ato ase wona na so sisi veni be den afi wokoto anu achi kase ne biebie ni nyina ye nuane a wuni ni ye ne ntia so wunya nutrients and vitamins and body bia no da bia ma wa ho den ti mumra ya so ye ho ye ho se ba bo obi bia na infections wo treat a oba ne be ma na ye o ma obi bisa o mo no mo mani nkomo eku nkola ne pa o mo kidneys ne se pa ti so wachi o ya entiti nkunya ho na oba bia so odwunso bebro se menya diabetes no se the be ma dwunso bebro nya prostate cancer na enlargement sa na oba so tie u benya cervical cancer bra ya so ye ho ne emo a ye ha bia be ka che future life you so full alignment ya property o mem bi wo boase ebi wo sunwane mampon kononwo enkran bi wo ho nti me dem number sini tudwa
fatijane
0246 01 another 01 50 me can be 0246 01 another 01 50 na back 0242 87 80 90 0242 87 80 90 future life aduane udina no pa ne anwumre awia no ade normal food ayi bi afri momra yaso e wo se babo bibia e so follow alignment when each step atase no intelligence so ho ane wo nti o fa number na no afre
okay
yakopon jamu nyina
nyame kan ho menu aba Olivia Alhaji Yusuf
Abani
Salamu alaikum
Wa alaikum salam Omanhene be chiatifo
doctor so want to say
minia nyame adom me hoye
bibi aboko
nyame adom
okay
bibi de shan maniaje
MPP say monkey come ho pa o mo campaign team are set
campaign team ne dey na e ho dada because every party member is a member of the campaign team.
No, but I'm talking about
the
campaign, the unveiling of the structure and everything, committees.
And okay, beyond their membership of the party. Now, the person may come up party in the and say, we party near. Why we campaign manager or polling station? We campaign manager will fee.
Polling station executives.
So, I'm campaign managers, maybe a police station secretary. Maybe a campaign manager will make me feel, baby, I'm a tenor. Me feel I'm not a campaign manager. Why MPP in your bedroom, you're a campaign manager. Make sure say we go to Aba. Obana we dey 18 years old to Aba MPP. And I think said that is the posture. And some of Justin Frimpong could have talk, and that's what he meant. MPP ni bia e fa campaign we abonable. Some be nyaba studio halma. Hire be a campaign manager. I had be a campaign managers be 4 and 5. That is the thing. Yen na fair juma say yen ye juma na emesi ora dambo twen kwa so na enkosi ora ba omi anko so. Yen na na kwakoye adwuma no.
Alaji. Mo campaign team no we will say committees be in charge of the charge. Who is your campaign manager as at now? As a mo ya chair na.
Medase papa. Na ma chair the incoming president John Dramani Mahama. And then impani for chairman general. ABC regional executive so na na kwesi in impani for ina. Omanhene politics in a campaign we are you deliver general goods to the people. And so it's not just about campaign team. In the campaign team now more no, is it just to run elections and that end the matter. So see, so who's the MPP yeah, they say once and because sometimes they believe that politics ends when you run a campaign and you win elections. The rest is not just about delivering to the people. One, in fact, you do can from 6 as a penano pa me feel offensive but and so light, you know. And to know I mean access to any information. We won't say phone crammy. I do my general come on Sanameba.
One farmer may charge it.
Omu deliverables in the no.
Omu deliverables.
Omanhene was saying, no general come owns a light or
heat. Emra heat aba
unyesi yourself kwanu to my bebo
from Magandis.
What uncle's way? Emra heat aba ye wu no. Masa dum light aka ho. Emra me from 6 up until the point me free fence so bani and so light. This is the MPP for you. Now one of the campaign. One of the MPP campaign team members now.
Damboche chairman.
And why?
Fred Owari.
Okay.
Bit my whole is open.
Yeah. These are the key people.
Key people in the
organizer.
Key people in the Nana come here, Fred Owari.
They are going to
and Damboche.
Strategists.
See, one problem I war. Damboche next time I own. Damboche has since left politics.
Damboche giant.
Yeah, why politics were free much.
Oh my God.
A free representative for you in a D as information minister. Well, free politics may be seen there.
Oh, sir.
Minister for local government.
Local government.
Recent.
And now open ministries.
Minister for the what is it called?
Omanhene.
The 6 regions.
Omanhene.
He did it. And he did so well.
Omanhene. What is so well about it? Is it creating a region? Hey, beyond what?
You think creating a region is easy?
Omanhene, look, let us not flatter these people. Look, let me tell you. Open ministry are fairly would not cover the government in one.
A local government.
A local government ministry. Winning. Some ministry in Kwan and at this time MPs or all minister no me MPs. Me no decide say omo nko bi omo hwe omo chia. Ba ko ko no do sui. Consent team. Wo de hwe MPP prime minister omo ko nyina. Fa ofan constituencies no. Hwe this is omo ko emu say na we dey. Me kire obibi. Emu say na we dey. Omo ba incumbents no. But be MPs nika say omonko this is called omo nyina lose emu say na lose we ni ye omo nyina it tells you the work that Dambuche and his people did.
For you, Dambuche is a non-starter.
One can't buy way. And when he said Dambuche was a cabinet minister,
yeah,
what was his contribution in this government? A binary feeling poto. Fedoware. He's been around for when God knows. President Kofo did Fedoware here in Jumao. MC Bridam.
Yeah, we chief executive.
Ever since then, Fedoware were he.
He's with Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Do you what?
Staff.
Mate, you know. So these are the campaign managers to the mate. Wow, here we are. Me say abana nkasa gu.
Na mo campaign team way.
Yeah, campaign team na papa papa one president Mama Koye. Professor Joshua Labi.
That's the last time, no.
He was our campaign leader.
That's now. They can now.
You saw his sterling performance.
Oh.
Abaya almost omode.
I don't know about we saw say mo campaign team way.
As far as
campaign team.
Me say
yes when they director affairs na way.
And this year there to your boss so we had a 28 member committee I setting it up. We are coming gradually. The
28 member is supposed to do what?
We have set up technical committees in charge of various activities within the party. Oma Mobaye manifesto, other strategic thinking. You have put them together yesterday in a 50 on Valley Woman. That's what the NDC does. And Mom, we say yeah, campaign team wine.
So
because we for us
28 member committee, no?
Yes.
You were technical.
Yes.
You were
manifesto committee. Communication. And yes.
28
I thought you are not aware. There are 28 different committees. And we are coming gradually. We have
Who is leading them?
We have not,
definitely there should be a leader.
We have not unveiled our campaign team yet. We're not in a rush.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we're not in the competition with the MPP.
The election is just around the corner. You are not in a
we are not in a hurry with the MPP. We are not in competition with the MPP.
You are not in competition.
No.
MPP.
No.
The government in power. The party in power.
This is a connection. This is a group of connection men. We're not in competition with them. Make a try on one thing.
What are connection men?
MPP.
What are you talking?
This is a group of connection men. A Japanawati. Skytrain. A Japanawati. Skytrain one.
$12 million.
Yes. SML won't have no unia. Nancy only have no PDS. These are connection men. And the Gabi we know so we local politics. Why connection now we? So, me say we are not in competition with them.
So who are you in competition with?
We are sending a message to Ghanaians. Sir, this is a political party and other connection men.
So
this is our policy for you. Yet on munim yeah. O my young one timid na e dey disappointed say ye ba abamunu. Ye see KJT market e ma santemai. Ye na etimi kasa. O pa wo nyakwa wan kasa be menti.
But
ye na etimi e ka kire Ghana for say ye ba he no and the fuel. Even 1 liter a 13 point something depending on the fuel, but you call it 14. Yeah, and your time. Now fuel 4.5 liters, you know. You turn 14, 16 Ghana cedis. And now, offer fuel 1 gallon one. You almost 70 to 80 Ghana cedis. And see, when you remind Ghana for say, you catch them in a month, this is where we are. And for us, we are not in that competition with the MPP. No, we are not. And I hear nipa omodo ma would hear nipa o ma parade wo no na na akomia na ka kire say ye wale ye wo watermelon factory afa nipa 300 ye ko na machine ba kokura ni wo. So you see why was he said on TV, was it TV3 or TV3?
So can you show me your cancer?
Yeah, for second. Now, see, I'm second. Now, wale what the saying, sir, what the saying, what I'm looking for, Mukana, a Fidiba Kukurani. So you see, today the MPP is struggling. No? In the past, the media was not putting any highlight on what the MPP was saying. And then, Assembly of Becano, it is on record. Into a beach, no one Casano, one will say, Nema Okano, you only deceive the people. So, Omanhene, it is so clear today. Say, the MPP. Look, they should have set aside. Me catch her hanan me lawyer now or free or the same. Mampontia no one I'm catching say. Concern MPP, the respect by my Ghana for in general. In common side election 2024 win. They shouldn't have competed. Look at some put up any candidate. Emra NDC we have demonstrated over the period. Share Emra Dr. Bomia Wabekasa within the policy or say what on the policy na betubia. Can you see the reaction? People are not interested. And the lies pointed out, the contradictions. Say abaya woni na ya adwuma awie eko 8 years. After they will say abaya no suffering bi na abaya no ko tu no won ka ho bi. What select over abaya na what select ba bia wo ka ho. Any ba bia e ba economy ni dia me nka ye mfa ho bi bia ntaro. Up until today and the dollar is almost 13, 12.7. Move no 3.8. And this nipa we. What kind of competition are we going to?
4.3.
What a 4.2? Look, they be able to change figure, but the list
I've never changed the figure. The figure is 4.3. I have checked everything. It's 4.3. But today it's 13. 12.7 to 13. 13.
So see, so when it comes to managing these systems, we are the best. PBC. Now PBC was more.
Almost collapsed.
Okay, it's collapsed. Okay, kaboom no. Na nipa PBC nkwan ene omu adwuma no. Almost about 5,000 people are mo honi na no. Today they have to all go home. Kete say aban we na wonim. Nipa akoye auditor o ka kire omu say PBC gu no omu yina di. PBC na omo buy na shares 30.8. Na eba from say aka o ebedru 10 point some na o to ka kire omu say man hu ya mugu PBC no omu yina di. Ene PBC agu. This is the government for you. And to when make us a connection bena, with all due respect to people like Keskin, unfortunately that is what they have associated themselves with. Until I say ne, abai na guninti. Uma appointment a umumpe. Ona buko kukwati we say masa minister me mempe. Me pese Mr. Parliament ya. Chema se bozu asema o kan no pe and tokoni bia na okuno. They don't want to be associated with government now failing no. So people are running away from the government. Now, what to be the say? Obey a man, minister. Oh, minister. The kind of one minister when I grow. Say, a man, a car, a man, a bungalow, a man, in fact, security, ne, cleaners, only na your muka, your calculator muka, Omanhene Yaw. Oh, man, I was so unpaid. Why, here's your parliament. Nanka, what do you call for a fair ministry? And your foreign affairs one and I say, yeah, embassy, a war, UK, no. Yes, see a tone. Yet the kind intimate anti infant pontiaca to say the ocean PBC near Mano. Obiaba, didn't come about the car bar, towing car about what toy, and never been the call. This is the government for you. And to people as Keskin, make them a catcher and they say they should extricate themselves from this government. No one shall say her Dutch and say, MPP not Dutch and a butterfly. Who's a butterfly became MPP no Dutch you? Omushana no more bibim nema settle kama. Na butterfly no. Asanya ba mama ba be form ya party ni say the be party ni be koso timi Kakesken say they should start planning for the MPP's future. Say emra abanwe akufade de obegu MPP gugana o nti say akufado lose election Baumia contest election it's more or less like Akufado Baumia contested the same elections. To the moment Akufado Baumia be take exit on the 7th of January 2025 no then they start planning how to put the MPP together. Who to become the MPP chairman. That's what they should be planning now. Because when it comes to Ghana, they have failed Ghana. And now, somebody, people are wide awake. And for me won't put himself out to say some contest election, MPP contest election. The Omanhene Yaw say the Ghana cry election at MPP CCI. What are they coming to implement again? After 8 years, Nini Omaye. Tax somebody 2 in Amusa Fidi. Now, Baumia, he was on his own, we meet. But meet via Menende Bahai. Midru no Case.
I was what you're for to what debate about.
Oh, send me for Trotro.
I know what you're the phone.
My Jacka no, French and I'm for Trotraba.
Hey, oh no.
Send me, baby, I'm telling you. But then what filling station, I'm for Trotraba. Remember, no see. And to me, but I met you, Drew, Brahma Johnson, no Case. Behano, mammy, one mammy from her. Never written about you, mate in the gym from a book adam. It tells you how important the mate is. It tells you, and Kakadaba don't want, or better can upgrade to a hot. Because when person from away, they were tired him. Now, and that's with him say, don't say mate in the Ranikawi. So it tells you how this government has come, how they have failed, And for us, yeah, 2 boys in share Niama,
Okay.
Niama Ghana for Atia Sheshe. This is what we have for them near Baby.
Okay.
By the
You're saying I'm over to us. But I say, Mammy, call Dr. Keskin also. Keskin.
David.
Mammy, too.
See that I'm not some for near Tifuina. Make sure Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the leader of NPP. They didn't wish me to about here. Who's NDC for they are feeling very much uneasy, and rightly so. No, it was expected. Now we a simple question. Besides what is a bed? Now I go to a tree. So when a bird can fly and a bird will land on a tree, and for that matter, what is a tree? And we know why no campaign manager? Now but mine, what can cancel can I disagree entirely with him. The first one, see PBC and people in a good no not then. May claim for PBC for a more financial report for 2015-2016. But also, just a paragraph. Or say, as required in international financial reporting standards, the financial statement was consolidated to show a consolidated financial position of PBC Limited and its subsidiary, the Golden Bean Hotel, resulting in your company reporting a net loss of 17.58 million Ghana cedis. This is just one aspect for just 2016 financial year. And the NDC, PBC.
Yes.
Me but to make clear.
Honorable. Honorable.
Me say PBC more
Honorable. He has not even started.
Me say
why?
PBC consistently under NDC. Ebo kasa. Na company be making a net loss of 17 million Ghana cedis. Consistently obit my surviving. So why do you guys pretend? And I'm kind of grazer. Ebiu also ena ora Baumia Kasan we yin for economy ni mu kra. And I think send this for me with all due respect. We are very intelligent too. Also because of South we dey this one to Obama. As of one part we are very intelligent. But say me how can means I won't read Baumia
economy hu niam be no.
Me pacho. Last week I can be. Last week me can be. Baumia speech o my no. O my hu dia ban buy. Dia ban na ye. The difficulties are buying rooms is here. Or capture Nina, and we all say, and ma shall buy an achievement I now, or no Jumedia descend in Sano. Any and also a boy and one punta, and all the neutral room so tall. It's where they catch me say, Baumian care economy was him. Last week, make a point because Oga said there's no connection between digitalization and the economy. Next, I that's watch that and I born. Oga said, do I want to say that because and one was a repeating. ECG, I know making cash of 450 million cedis a month. Based on the Baumia Mudi 2 honum digitalization incident. So I want to make about 1.2 billion.
And so that's
Meba. NDC Neka said the sumu.
The sumu.
And the Mubugana for the
India, delight.
Me say to Basi. I'm Mubugana for the
Mabese.
Me say, I could read the Energy Commission or my first quarter report.
The microphone is off. Address me.
Energy Commission report, the first quarter of 2017. What just say? Mama me had the sumu 4 years. Some buya, come on, money power there too for sumu 4 years. No, Mungo find them review. You're not even serious.
Hello,
say that.
Address me.
So my
microphone is off.
As early,
I put every
by 13th December 2016. Now except for air calling for load shedding timetable. You're talking anyway out just a week after that. That's not true. We are making stories amount. Now except for air calling for a load shedding timetable. And these are things that you never feel.
Honorable Yusuf.
When him say Abra a year.
Hello, Beba. Honorable Yusuf.
And when they sit on this, you turn them out.
Honorable Yusuf, I don't know you like this. This gentleman started, I told him to keep quiet. On Kasa 4 minutes, or starting 55. 4 minutes, pepe. And then trust me.
Omanhene. Obekaya, what a Jaco call the veteran. Erikopoku, Mwempino. Obusa Bocha, how are you going to solve them so? Not doom so new, how are you going to solve them so? So already if you go back to your phone. Me say go back to your phone. We have it remember video. Oh, I said that.
Honorable.
What said that?
Honorable.
Yeah, make video amount.
Honorable.
Opa, me next time.
You will let me take. You will let me take. Hello, hold on, Honorable. You know me. You will let me take a certain drastic decision against you. Abia, Allah. Mama ne jai, me mani jai into following. You flew and you flowed up to where you wanted to fly to. Allow him. Go ahead.
Omanhene, me say Boakye ja convert na okoye el parliament erikopoku busa ne say e kwan be so na be fa so solve doom so because there was still doom so and I have the video here say siameti me the amount
send it to me
Eba.
Send it to me
Mate Omanhene but oka eye MPP ensem ya be patro ni you have it where here
from me
the matter of doom so
this as is record the watch and you busa no
consequences on this country starting from 2012. The fact that we still talk about doing so this day clearly suggests that the problem was never fully solved. And it lingers. In a nutshell, we believe that we are moving from doing so to a steady state of power supply to the ideal state of uninterrupted power delivery.
Okay.
What you say? You better be catching me some more solve doom so. Minya, unya opportunity na wabemu. Die ni. Me say,
allow him.
Abra o converting. Mo bi say kwan better be fa solve doom so. And now say doom so you be solve ya. You free doom so na. Ni about a steady state, ni about another state.
Also, the fact that we are even discussing
about doom so, it means
shows that the problem is still persist.
Was not fully solved.
Me say, oh yeah, no how can Energy Commission report. I'm try the first quarter of 2017.
Go ahead.
I tell you, this and trunk it and get and will ya. Some will be ya. So that gang of by Baumyama. Come in, I'm going for John Mahama. Mumu mo teachers wa anka teachers so me adwuma 3 years amu chom ka 3 months no kam sa fa jom hama mo bu adwuma for Ghana adwuma for anka tier 2 pension allowance and ya tier 3 salary so 8 months am on 10 pesos no anka mo fa jom hama ti mo sem ni bu am kan ye tase dwen ho a and only I think say this methodology believe the entire omamana is so complex. Oh you law student you understand what it means say about practice executive presidency. No kwani say oto abama John Mahama running mate onzo nyin running mate ba o menya nyin running mate ba omo ne ayi omo ko ono nipa ope no den be running mate it means ono na 2 minutes jana so yes anete it is ono na 2 minutes jana so no ekofa obi ba nipa konti make sentain no whoever comes no will live on the vision of nipa na ye to abayi no. This is so basic and this is for muslim until we say Ebu, as no about me, I can say. On a buy another vision, Baba Sum, you bet my you, my baby. Moment, you're gonna for mana quenya. Don't Spain, don't Spain. What him saying, some of the trouble, and this is one cast answer, no was a move. Me Pesaka, I mean, how you not buy, or so, or about me a tax policy or the trouble, and this is the and your papa, and this alternative knee, and this is one to me, yes, I don't know. Or about me, so you're being introduced to a flat rate, and this is Mumbai introduced today. Mo tax policy any day. But say, we no opportunity with me yano. Mo tax policy any day. Ora ba me kasa we no. Before ba me kasa na ba ma kasa be 6 different times o. That be na say AGI ma kasa we o mo ba bonte be kasa. It tells you say Ora ba me is speaking to the problems of this country. And this mo kasa mo nyina that be na mo talking about building a solid database for this country da. That be and these are things that Ujani free wa enyeyi. Oja say, enti minia, mesrew. Na maba eye MPP campaign team so. I say setting up the campaign team, who say popo brigadier this. This some all can na, na say when some no kwa mfa kwemu. Oni Ghana ye one strategic person, one intelligent person, one solid person about political mobilization. Untimi enkan ho asembody a Edan Butwe. Even the say don't get here. Moment that opportunity. And you have the guts to run down Danbuchi. How? On any day, Danbuchi. Why you want to last day?
Go ahead.
In a Yamashimono. As I said, Danbuchi the campaign chairman and the strategist. Ade ma team Danbuchi Fedowari any Danakomia who say on the communication front, no. Nanakomia has it. He has it. anytime BNPP echo elections biara no uza na komia na mo se man in charge of campaign communications.
That's right.
Obanso biara na NDC for ho betere mo. And he has proven it. In 2016, in 2020, yehu ye. Mo tere mampa. Dambotwe awaki within the shadows. Meetings or beko strategies or be go akwan mu no. Just say one kan okre. E say your brother Dambotwe di na usura enya me nwanwa. Ora Baumia mesmerizing NDC in 2016 and 2020. One day the chief of staff. Na ya federal worry. Eti wo kesa nkofo we boma. NDC for yembe hye. I'm not surprised. Oba no baba be share omo be handle your operations. The general secretary Justin Kodua. That is one likable personality. NDC for kwa feeling no. O just say to kesa nkofo we boma yembe hye. And other boy team esane ora Baumia ko. Eye engineer Kwamne Japan. Me who no team many. He is one of the people in MPP. Me and make us one of the most credible people in MPP. He will tell you the truth. He will let you know say baby how we ko he will obe shepedo. And that's Kwabena Japan for you. And to show Kwabena Japan Samuel Uku Kabo. Now should be even Kwabena Japan the recent past history with MPP. Aura Baumia sa dina babaka. It tells you say Baumia is looking to build a unified party. What just say? And these are things that we are in this now. Me expect this one beji. We are in this here. You should be worried. And as my general secretary kind, me people you want to hear me pa. Or say every party member is a member of the campaign team. Baby, I wanna vote no. Baby, I will juma no. Kana awa fro no. Wo ehona wo ya campaign office. Make sure you maximize votes over there. Because at this for there, omo chance and trunketing kitty near marketing kitty. Sam never motitan kokon getting kitty, no trunketing kitty. Sa no me afem.
Same time.
Sa no me afem. You best say a year party for. Say at the moment, when say national you know, you be share region a team no, you be share constituency. But yenya ma region and my constituency kra no. It should tell you say who adwuma eye. That things when they say NDC eyi omo flag bearer anye no. Mo me about a year ni. If I'm right. May. Till about 10 months aba. What you say? They are still struggling to put together a campaign team. Who say campaign manager why na akwaya asem. Because in the year 2020, who's your campaign manager antemo? Omo je omo flag barship adi we ye be abru so 6 months omo set omo team up. But they say omo share dynamics na in this elections na. Ehu abomo. E tell omo nya asem pa bia enka nche Ghana for. To busa and go be pass NDC a message moving into 2024. Then NDC can convince and say or support NDC. Only being can I heading. Just say, but the other may expect to say him why we are the Saddam the 20. A year Minya Haruna, Kibisha say ya. So ye na you first anti no can a year KJT Hansem. Yes, when ye yen share MPP NDC 8 years. Development about markets are. Do be aye. You also about near share hospitals. For instance, we said that 40 hospital projects going 40 hospital projects going on in Ashanti region. On authority, NDC did not complete and commission one single hospital in 8 years in Ashanti region.
But they started all.
They started. Osha Vamed projects 5. Chedier, Drobonso, Swami, Yakrofom. 5 million people started 2019. You're reading now. Osaba Biamunswa, now be share Irojesa, Oracle for Shas here.
1.5 minutes.
No problem. NDC be take over. NDC did not complete even one. Even one, no, man complete it. Oh. Yaba tepa, ye tepa. Ya commission tepa nko for you tepa. We finish exact Bekwai cried and then Irojeto. Bekwai started and they champion. NDC muko pe muska 2012. Mu wie by 2014 ma discount nasa. Yaba ne sako pay ska enya ba be wie Bekwai. Me say man ye one single hospital in 8 years. It's shameful. Me say yase bia say ye wie maka Vamed 5 projects. Won say yan share
after UGMC.
Me say mak onim ma de kwan this year no omo onim say tech medical hospital no. Me say that onim the camp. Me say hospital eye center. For emergency unit kwan say hospital. You say emergency unit. Eye center ko see a unit within Konfanochi. Me what was
honorable.
Oh, masa. When UGMC are small king, tech as your project last year UGMC and Akufo. Mobile, you abandoned it, and I'm going to say University of Ghana. University of Ghana is 600 bed. Tech in the 800 bed hospital. Man, you are here talking about UGMC. ya ba ye no afre Dr. Ade Mensa every be akopes case adwuma ekoso and I was lucky me call Tesco meeting Saturday you mean the circle pictures me say there are 40 district hospitals going on in Ashanti region ya MPP do I inherit do I buy any Ashanti the yawie ni the Ashanti nyina F40 and this man one single hospital I was man complete one.
Thank you very much. Give me a second. Boris B chicken papa bomodin say open chicken papa the be ejuma for wedding engagement or parties restaurants no ade nyina no drumsticks, feet, thigh wings, gizzard layers, broilers ni nyinara aye Boris B door-to-door delivery service fresh 05444 44453 05344 44453 Bantama High Street Yenny Presbyterian in Masanwase Market, Santasi Runabout, Poku Trade Doom SG Motor Pie Tech, Shell Body Junction, BBC Chicken, Fiakuko. Time Heba, Sir Wyamre, Ultim say malaria na adokro pam. Who did I want today? Honam to 2 Huna Boho. Time Heba Mr. Beboa. Time HH Heba Mr. and capsules. And also so rashes a egugu or private parts. Nomnia wow honam asawayare immune system support and general well-being. But modern friends 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 Diamond Diagnostic and Treatment Center. Dr. Marina and Dr. Joshua Sante Beboa Akye disease in Yinara. So when you're Parkinson, on so tumors, ulcer, compo, hypertension, diabetes, prostate enlargement, liver, kidney, yadia bay, salvia spondylosis, or when arthritis, or bata, or betty, eno kotoje, etutu. I want one semi. Dr. Suayo on your ovarian cyst. Uterine fibroids. Ya emphasis kind cow. Fakoda womonium wow. Na yen tutu saya de ni nyina mfiri ho. East Legon yene Legon University Sports Stadium di hwani mu Kumasi TUC Junction. Santasa Runabout. 0241677506. 0241677506 and 0207515623 0207515623 Herbal Center Coco Master no unya 3 eco capsules and no and to say Adam medicine onoma na say afei count baba untimi kwadwuma onoma utimi ko the answer be constipation for your pals cocoa waste space nyina ebe free or 3 eco capsules and running stomach but modern say ubenya 3 eco capsules 3 Herbal Center there ba colina Dani Masti Apidan kubenya B fresh 0546107107 0546107107 Fibo Ventures the Ashford Princess Evidence Executive Friendly Galaxy Ashford toothbrush enwana ebusuani nyina agi atum from Nkola Kopim Penifo the Afri-Fresh herbal toothpaste ka ho dia na just wanum atekama medicine tigam bleeding ne osia seni ade nyina no ebe cure na ma Posego Lane wholesale anase tobacco Yebe Yama 053-5452-263 053-5452-263 Provident Insurance Company Limited ye promotional Kopim 31st na otwa it oba ho no no say obe renew and now insure vehicle ye boa it me twa free fuel any other gifts ayeche from now to 31st March. Come and insure your vehicle or renew your vehicle with Providence Insurance. We say, man, you are covered. So I mean, you will stand back dining. I'm a city style building. DVL Airport Runabout to be here. Asante Mampon so cooperative transport on here. Boakye Stadium Road. Yene snappy about the dime back. So for line so Chairman Caesar ho and Kokos Station Fred. John Barnes was 0501 457 139. 0501 457 139 and 0200 234 806 0200 234 806 Dimpa Natural Health I call hospital ebe boawa yi ulcer everywhere open hospital sell back pains when you subri wo hanuma say obo ase etwon oyem timi 2 o didia enyam ye wakoma o minima se bibisa oni nyina ulcer symptoms peptic gastric duodenal GERD, acid reflux, and H. pylori moano. Yede local and foreign natural herbal products in the best shower. Yede fidie besi so ye be detox with nipaduanu nyinara. Obe da papa. Obe nya apomdeni ahoden. Also ye yare bonia edi nya pa. Wa we be ka se ya bo duampo. Ebi makoda ni dua nyina. Na so se na also. Fred Doctor 0246744744 0246744744 and 0245118434. Now your second floor wala stars the champs Kumasi Kane Mensia Health Insurance wo Z Natural. The new Z Natural mineral to be black man company trademark our dear ba se obiaji nsuya for wedding engagement outdoor in hair program akese nyina nketo nyina da. From 0244620294 0244620294 Z Natural Mineral Water Bremer West Bukutu Junction Chrono Main Road Kumasia Atomic Wall Ashoma Kwaso Nkran Ena Matt Roberts Sunyane 0208183018 Tony Sack Electronics honestly, as cinema, I did birthdays, Nina Ba, say, the property products, Naba, and to know TVs, fridges, freezers, air conditioner, washing machine, gas cookers, microwave, rice cookers, blenders, kettle, home theater, electric irons. As the Kalam canteen poem, while Doom, Ufri Wesley Methodist, Sania. Sounds also, Anna Oberhuyen, our new Malcolm, Kumasi Danka, Sienna, property showroom, Cassia, Anna. Cocoa board runabout, a bar stem na house ube we na sphincter so ya want depo kese 0500309309 0500309309. Let's do the birthdays quickly. Namin call honorable you see for Ariana Ade Sapon and Ewa Rock of Ages Montessori from your parents Mrs. Fofie Erica Nyame Champion son of D.O. Boadu Educational Complex. Happy birthday to you, Christiana. I'm a from Poma Champon. From Honorable IK, a Champon Assembly member, Adwato Electoral Area. ACP retired Benjamin Hembain Asamoah. Ekuna Hine Konongo and former Assistant Regional Police Commander Ashanti Region. Okay. Happy birthday to Mr. Kwesia Sarah of a Josso electrical engineer from Ben. And then my son Aaron Jemfi Odro. Okay. Sister Cornelia Mafu, a student at the University of Education Winneba from Systematic Press. Happy birthday to Samuel Opakiyosin. Hey, the Pac-Man. The Pac-Man. Oh, shout out to you, bro. I want to believe you are good. Happy birthday to you, Opaki Collection. Both, no cry, whatever. Hey, Opaki, the Italian, wow. Our Brigina, the shop back, who are back, so top high, a mall never honor, Samensia Mall, SG Mall, a hospital back, and crying so Nana Adjua. Ma Juan Pofwa of La Paz Sotium. Ma Juan Pofwa from Ohima D to you. Ma Juan Pofwa and Mandi Asamoah Boatin. Mandi Asamoah Boatin. This is coming from Yabuama. All right. Mami ma on chain. Mami ma 4 minutes.
Na minya ebisa ekase adena Dr. Bamiade speech in beto one critique here. Mm-hmm. The speech is empty, so why should we critique it?
There's nothing to critique.
Don't waste our time. Imani is what track it. Not the negative vibes at the bar every MPP no from 13.8% to 37%. Negatives in Kwama for active on social media. Oh, say it is one of the reasons. Sorry, from the buyer, no. It is to cover things up. Yes, and on person yet. But the negatives were so much to the sense that they were looking for some face saving. And as far as here in this year concern, Ghanaians have already given their veto on Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and the center. There's no amount of team I will put in a power. It will change that. And Sano. Sir, if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rates will expose it. It's there. Any statement away. Watch $1 no dinner to them or the Safwana my IGP. They are there. Enti pastor and Kusibuafo was say MPP co-oppositioner. Never blame the more Dr. Baumia. Kusibuafo, yes. I saw one of the publications yesterday in one of the newspapers.
Oh, my brother.
Was say
MPP should blame
Dr. Baumia
if they go
if
to
MPP goes to opposition. He has said it.
Okay, no, he has said it.
Me kai se me hu so na ntika makama na wo ho. O sini tu kama na wo no. So you see, this is the MPP at this stage. They are setting the stage to let him know that one day the MPP co-opposition. Policies being what kind of issue to do with tier 2? And I know we are university lecturers, you know what they say, university senior staff association. No, they do a more strike. 8 months. Not tier 2 no muntia.
8 months, 18 months.
Untia.
And wait a month.
But that's it's not true.
Pacho, so
so one man from there say, "Yeah, I'm welcoming him." Now they almost went on a strike. It took the TUC. So many are by negotiating on Boakye out. This is what is happening. About tax was a flat rate as a policy. About what na buy move for 8 years. In the flat rate, no more implementing this is young. Why don't you implement it now? Whatever policy Dr. Baumia has, or what Kenya so be implemented. Na Ghana for what tomu. Na MPP and this Kenya and Bianca Ghana for. If indeed it's true.
Okay, one. If he fails to do what is necessary and the party heads to opposition, he will be blamed.
Yes.
And that then to remain on him forever. So if the MPP goes into opposition, nobody will say Kusibuafo, but they will blame Dr. Baumia.
I won't just quote him for anything. No, newspapers. This now. See, what he said.
Exactly what was said.
That Dr. Baumia should be blamed when people goes to opposition.
He says that if he fails to do what is necessary and the party fails to win power, they will blame him.
I'm just giving you the caption on that news. Daily Guide or one of those Chronicle. One of those newspapers. That was that's the caption.
No, go ahead.
Me quote for nothing for anything. Because what when you above when you penny when you say when you akura and I'm a cancel no so flat rate. Omanhene nti kasambre ya mofa ne free port by nka omo implement flat rate na nka moa ara na mo magana fo kura ho ntom no mo nka se we ya e wo mu no kura eye se was say issues to do with baller tax or the saying this tax on a mobile money e-levy oba obe ye free ho ye free ho. So you see one for policy bia na ba ho no mu officer as usual, and when you rant, Ghana will listen to you. But Ghanaians have listened to him and have realized that he has been so deceptive. So don't listen to him. On the 24-hour economy, President Mama Dubai. Do you see, Madam said, this is a game changer. We see we're in the best Sanyama. And Ghanaians have bought into it. Wasi me ba, yemfie nyina yentu the same spine so. Na Ghana for nyina, from the president to the messenger. Let's have a single pay policy for all of us. Now, we deal with form. These are policies that are resonating with the people.
All right.
And President Mama has met all serious persons in this country. And they are put into his ideas.
All right.
So as far as we are concerned,
Omanhene,
yes, is on the way to come to power.
Just as a matter of additional facts, in 2015, there were 116 load shedding operations. Nina accumulating 866 hours 46 minutes of doing so. In 2016, NDC claims there were 24 load shedding operations, culminating in 320 hours of doing so. In 2017, and because the first quarter there were issues, no, and so culminating in 20.
What do you call facts? Where are they coming from?
From the Energy Commission's report, I'm 2017 first quarter.
Time and
what happened yesterday?
Let me say,
me too.
2017, 41 hours of doom so and na boache jako e kan asem do na is written no it will bala because NDC survey doom so unim dey worker that reports from Energy Commission am choy
me say right that doom so maso
what
are you talking about
ampa like to doom
so what is the point
like to doom like aba so what is the like doom me like this aba after 30 minutes what I say but there can be those erratic and man fair enough but don't come and tell me
those days don't come and tell me say NDC solved
we solved it We did. That's a wood intro.
No, we did.
Secondly, this year, not that last time Katom's more operator, or why is a confident fixtures. What follow the MPS deal? I'm co-signing. Port deal no. If we evaluation, we say Omoma Ghana $7.9 billion. Mahama.
Who did the evaluation?
Remember? 0.8 and his government. 3.8. 4.1 billion. Any baby fire. The say one say. Almost our company no tax holiday of $832 million. Sa MPS
for Nasi. Who they seek billions man who hotel.
Is that an acceptance?
That's not even a business.
Is that an acceptance? What Jackson Mahama?
No, Nasi. I'm telling you that we are
on the tax policy. You can't tax policy or more tax policy and affect owners of businesses.
Who are affected today?
Mahama can is the result of John Vow economy. No, was it TUC? Because TUC an association of workers. What just say? But I'm creating your workers in Yabijano. AGI. What's AGI Kasai?
Why he met them?
Meso say AGI.
They accepted it.
That say AGI Kasai. Because once it doesn't make policy sense to them. And then they build the business. It's AGI say the Baumia is talking about their problem. Taxes say kuomono. Flat rate me bomb.
Yeah.
Guta for Kasa. Guta for Kwara lens almost so many Baumia signing an agreement. Importers and exporters. I say this is the idea.
Who signed any agreement with
Mazin for my read on my day, but can so kind for dear. Mama can't join for our economy. So kind for me say the point I'm making is say what the policy bar policy how they affect no. More you have to join for our economy. Explaining it.
Implement it. Let them be free.
Me say good. And then the party say more money chance based on his vision.
His chances.
Saying na obey. Mahama no buy as my for treat your bag. 80 months pension. The best government that ever. 80 months pension went. I mean, workers. Okay, at my 4 years, Juma 3 years. No, Chomoka a year, 3 months.
It's a policy that is in place.
Yeah, everybody say, "Let me read it." Say, "I'm not to my faculty by 23%."
23%, yeah.
Mama's
by June or by 25.
Mama's not being promised my for any increment in salary. As so what I read.
He won't do that.
Good. Mahama also promising teachers for say, "Or baby see diamond." In 2012, on manifesto, mobile president, 1 year.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. This is where we draw the curtain and have a wonderful day.
For the first time.
Going on.